Electricity powers our lives, from lighting up cities to charging your phone. But where did it come from? How did humans first discover it? And what's actually happening when we flip a switch? Today, we are exploring the fascinating history and startling science of electricity, one of the most potent forces in the universe. Long before light bulbs and power plants, people noticed mysterious forces in nature. As early as 600 BCE, the Greek philosopher Thales of Miletus discovered that rubbing amber with fur could attract lightweight objects, what we now understand as static electricity. The word electricity actually comes from the Greek word elektron, meaning amber. For centuries, these strange forces were observed but not understood, until curiosity sparked a revolution. In the 18th century, scientists started experimenting with electricity in earnest. Benjamin Franklin famously flew a kite in a thunderstorm in 1752, a bold and dangerous attempt to prove that lightning was a form of electricity. Spoiler, he was right. Meanwhile, the Leyden jar, invented around 1745, became the first device capable of storing electricity. It laid the groundwork for electrical batteries and helped early scientists conduct experiments safely. Well, mostly safely. Fast forward to the late 1800s, the birth of the electric age. Enter Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, and the famous War of the Currents. Edison championed direct current, which flows in one direction. Tesla, working with George Westinghouse, pushed for alternating current, which could travel longer distances. The rivalry was intense. Edison even staged public stunts to show the dangers of AC. But in the end, AC won the war, and it's still the standard for most power grids today. So, what actually is electricity? At its core, it's the movement of electrons, the tiny negatively charged particles in atoms. There are two main types: static electricity, like rubbing a balloon on your hair, and current electricity, which powers everything from your fridge to your Wi-Fi. Electricity travels in circuits, and depending on the material, electrons can either flow freely in conductors like copper or get blocked in insulators like rubber. It's invisible, silent, and yet it fuels almost every modern convenience. Electricity changed the world. In the 19th century, it gave us the telegraph, electric motors, and light bulbs. By the early 20th century, entire cities lit up, factories ran on electric machines, and homes began using electric appliances. Today, we live in a world of smart homes, electric vehicles, and quantum computers, all made possible by over 200 years of electric discovery and innovation. Behind the scenes is the electrical grid, a massive, complex network that generates and delivers electricity to homes and businesses. Electricity is generated in power plants using coal, natural gas, nuclear energy, wind, solar, or hydropower. It's then stepped up to high voltage, transmitted over long distances, and stepped down again so you can safely use it. It's one of the largest and most important systems in human history. The future of electricity is clean, smart, and sustainable. Renewable sources like solar and wind are growing fast. We're developing better batteries, more efficient grids, and even wireless energy transfer. Some researchers are working on fusion power, the same process that powers the sun, which could provide virtually unlimited, clean electricity. We're entering a new era of energy innovation. Electricity has come a long way, from rubbed amber in ancient Greece to powering space missions and AI. It's one of the greatest forces in the universe, and it's still evolving. Don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome science and history deep dives.